the first half of the partner advisory boards here in Florida. Sadly, not sunny, not warm. It's cold. It's basically raining, but we have to sit inside the whole day anyway. So what was on the agenda so far? We learned a lot more about the classification of the market segments, commercial, corporate, and strategic. How does Broadcom see this also from a services revenue perspective? Where do they see the primary revenue stream for partners? What are they expecting from partners in the new program and everything else? Not a lot of surprises for us, but it's very, very clear Broadcom wants partners who can actually grow the customer base, so grow the services, can actually get the customers to consume the services. So as Broadcom is switching from perpetual to a subscription model, it becomes more and more important that the customer is actually happy with the solution, because otherwise they are not going to renew. So a lot of that was the talk today. We also learned a lot around where currently Broadcom is from a customer base perspective, perpetual to subscription, different product sets and everything else, what they see the market opportunity for and everything else. I think from a partner ecosystem perspective, those partners who are fully invested in the VMware by Broadcom story have a great opportunity ahead of it. For customers, there is a lot in the new program which actually will make consumption and everything a lot easier, because it will make services easier to access for partners, for customers, and the combination. Another clear statement, which I also referred to in the CRN interview a couple of weeks ago or a couple of days ago, is that services become more prominent. They are working on other ways besides subcontracting for partners to do services as part of an overall engagement, which is good. It's also became very, very clear again that partners should focus on making money with services, not so much on the licenses revenue and stuff like that. So if we take all of that into consideration, I think it's quite successful. Again, we could see here what we have seen already in Vegas and at other advisory board meetings is, like Broadcom said very clearly, at least every 6 months we want to meet in person with the partners. We want to hear your feedback and we react on the feedback. We said that already after Barcelona, that a lot of the feedback from Las Vegas was already included in Barcelona. And so whoever actually keeps walking around out there and saying that Broadcom doesn't care about what the customers or the partners think, that is actually not true. What we see again and again and again in all of these stories is they listen. What they don't listen to is to people who just complain about, oh, it's going to be freaking expensive. Because in the end it is not. For many of our customers, it's actually when they see the value and when they see all of it, it's actually not more expensive. In some cases, it's even cheaper. And yes, I know there are some corner cases, but trust me, even for those customers in corner cases, we found solutions. So if you need a solution for your VMware by Broadcom licenses, ping me up. If you are a partner who is not so strong into the services field, ping me up as well, because what we can offer you is that you can resell our services, whether it's fixed design packages or anything else. There is a good margin in there for your resellers, and it's pretty easy to sell because we have packaged it all up in an easy to consume fashion for both customers and other partners. So let's talk more about how VMware by Broadcom is driving customer success and partner success, both at the same point in time. Ping me your messages in the DMs or down in the comments what you think about the changes and how this could actually help you.